I'm so excited for this. It just looks so cool.
Oh yeah.
Like this is definitely, I don't care what anyone else says, this is the coolest looking SCX24 there is right now.
Right, for sure. All right, here it is, the new Axial SCX24 Jeep Gladiator. We just got this in, delivered today from Horizon Hobby. So yeah, let's open it up and take a quick first look at it, see what's new with this highly anticipated, well, not really anticipated, it was more of a surprise, really. Let's check it out. I'm gonna hand it over to Avery and he's gonna tell you guys a little bit more about what we have here.
Okay, so first off, new transmitter, of course. Don't really know what we think of it. I like the carbon fiber looking handle, I guess, and the top. Kind of looks like an alien spacecraft cockpit right here. Right here it looks like car battery, so maybe some telemetry on the battery. So that would be cool. Your typical transmitter foam wheel. Here's all that comes with the car. 4 AA batteries for the transmitter. Looks like some extra parts. Stickers, we love those. Alright, here you have it, the SCX24 Jeep Gladiator in all of its glory. Suspension feels nice. Tires, new tires. I forget what they're called, but they're new. They feel nice. In my opinion, I think this is the coolest part. It's your Velcro body clip kind of system. You just kind of tug on this a little bit. Alright, right there. Yeah, I really like that with no body clips. Definitely makes it look nicer. Clean it up a little bit, the body, more realistic. So, right off the bat, there's a new body mount system. The hinge system. Brand new. Looks a lot more sturdy and better, more sophisticated. New branded ESC. All the electronics are the same. Your battery, servo, ESC motor.
More than likely we'll be putting an Emax servo in to replace the stock servo. These are a good, affordable alternative.
And another really cool thing is the cockpit. We have a little driver and a full interior. Well, I mean, not really, but just the driver is really cool. And then you have the top.
I mean, you do have a little bit of an interior. You can see the seats.
Yeah, you can see the seats and the dash. You have your accessories on the back, the roof cover. I forget what these are called, but you put them down when the car's stuck in the mud on the front tires and they grab. I think that's a cool feature. Little twist knob right here. Let's see if we can get that out. Oh, there's two. Then the gas cans, and then you have your jack, and then a little shovel in there. We'll probably paint these up, make it look a little bit more scale. New rims. Haven't seen those before. So, obviously, extended wheelbase for the Gladiator. You have to have that. So we have new rear links and a new rear drive shaft that are extended. I believe it's 1.4 inches extended. Yeah, definitely huge difference. We'll definitely be putting the new Hyrax 1.0 tires onto the Jeep Gladiator. See how it performs. Definitely should be a cool video.
So yeah, as you can see here, there's no body mount clip, which is nice. It's very sleek. Looks so much more scale without that. And then you just have the Velcro. I'm not sure if you can pull the interior out. You might be able to. There's a screw here. You might be able to pull this out. and paint it up. That way you can see the driver and the inside detail a little bit more. You can barely see the driver, but yeah, very cool that they added that. You have the same 88 turn motor that's in the other SCX24s, 2S LiPo.
So the Gladiator's tires are pretty interesting. I think they're a cross between the Jeep Wrangler stock tires and the C10 tires. It's a smaller, more, if you look at the size difference, they're a little smaller, like width and height.
They're more scale.
Yeah, more scale. Different rims you can see. Another thing that's new is the rear shocks is an upgraded like spring, so it's more thick to where the rear shocks are upgraded to support the heavier weight in the extended wheelbase. And honestly, the suspension feels a little bit nicer than stock like Wrangler. It's real bouncy. It's more smooth, I think. Less. Like you can feel, like here, feel. You can feel that.
Oh yeah, that's like loose.
And then feel that.
And that's firm.
Looks like the C10s are the longest besides the Gladiator. So a con to this transmitter is definitely the button style trims. Instead of the old one, you had a dial that you could adjust for lots of precision. It doesn't look like we have a low, medium, and high either. Right here you have your different speed settings that you can change. But right here, maybe... No, that's just... No. Not the throttle trim. Yeah, it does not look... I guess it's just set to one speed. Maybe medium on this, and then you just adjust it accordingly. But hopefully there's telemetry. That would be awesome to see with the new SCX24. And then another really, really cool feature is the extra 2 channels you have on these sides. This one right here, toggle on and off the front headlights.
Probably just an optional.
Yeah, probably an optional. You may even have to assign this one too.
For more lights or something.
Oh, that would be cool. Yeah, that'd be cool. So something to see right now is if you look at this for a couple seconds, you take it in, how beautiful it is. Then a stock SCX24 looks short and stubby. It doesn't really tell it on camera, but definitely in person, you have to check that out. Ooh, you know what'd be cool? The roof rack on the Wrangler right here. Oh, well, maybe that might work. Maybe, I don't know.
What are you thinking?
If we put the roof rack and light bar, fake light bar right here.
Oh yeah.
Or, you know, I bet they make light bars for these to like, that would be so cool to put a light bar right here.
Mm-hmm.
Like a real one.
Right.
I'm so excited for this. It just looks so cool.
Oh yeah.
Like, this is definitely, I don't care what anyone else says, this is the coolest looking SCX24 there is right now.
Right, for sure.
At least stock wise, like not upgraded bodies.
Right. All right, that's our unboxing and first look at the Axial SCX24 Jeep Gladiator, brand new. Cannot wait to get this out on the trail. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Please like the video if you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for the running video coming soon after our ice storm that is projected on Thursday of this week. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one.